Cody with Two Wheels in a Tent, and today I'm going to show you another meal option for your moto camping travels. Just trying these off. I found them on the internet from backpackers, so figured they'd work for us too. So I'm not taking credit for the recipes, but we're going to try them out, share them with you. Maybe you can change up your diet on the road a little bit. Today we're doing Alfredo noodles with some white tuna and some green beans. They make these in little like Jello cup sizes you could throw in your bag. And we're trying 2 tablespoons of Nido for the milk substitution, just to make it a little creamier. Two tablespoons of the Nido. Now that that's boiling, put in your pasta. Stir that in, let it boil for 7 minutes. You can also get it to a boil, turn it off, cover it, and stir occasionally. It just takes a bit longer to do it that way. That way it does save fuel though. Then once we get the noodles soft and cooked, we're going to throw in our meat. And our beans. We'll let that cook up a little bit more. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, for sure. Just something else to spice up your routine. Get you outdoors more. Give it a 4 out of 5 stars.
Not bad. I prefer it with chicken.
Fucking brat. Tuna casserole, dork. You don't put chicken in it.
You can make a chicken casserole, dork. Hey, I was thinking because on one of Tim Collins' videos, he says he doesn't get enough vegetables, so you should tell him about the Jello packets and he can use the recipes.
There you go, Tim. What's think?
Why is there fish in it?
It's tuna casserole.
Okay. Not bad. Could you do chicken in there?
Fuck these assholes. So that's general consensus. They prefer chicken, but I think it's delicious. So think about that. Tastes like tuna helper to me. Anyway, it's a new alternative to what you're carrying and eating now.